for our OEM customers, we'll take a drawing, we'll produce the part based on the customer's drawing, and our customers tend to be very good at bending metal, welding metal, programming the robots, and designing the whole system. One area where machinists aren't very well experienced tends to be machining plastics. So if we can take the burden of machining the plastic components for their custom-made equipment, we're able to help them out within our core competency and enable them to spend their time on their core competencies. One of the factors that makes us so effective in dealing with our customers is our inside sales force. You're going to have a dedicated professional helping you with your project from start to finish. We're able to get on the phone with the customer. I'll direct the customer to a part number or to click through to a certain section of the website. We're actually able to, right there on the phone, compare dimensions, look at applications, discuss operating environment, and make sure we've got the right part for them. Slideways really excels at fulfilling the customer's complete requirements. So that's meeting their schedule, their quality requirement, and the materials requirement. So it's really the whole experience. It's a lot more than just that custom-made plastic component.